We know that crafting the perfect eye-catching email can be a real challenge, especially if you're short on time or not a pro at copywriting and designing. But that's where email templates come in. With just a few tweaks of the content, you can easily adapt them to fit the purpose of your email. However, you can't just grab any old email template off the web and hope for the best. That's why we've curated a list of effective email templates that will ensure you're perfectly prepared for your next send. Hi everyone, I'm Erin from SiteGround. In today's video, we're exploring 7 email templates that strategically leverage different layouts and reading patterns, and I'll explain why they're so effective. And the best part, they're all ready to use and fully customizable via SiteGround's email marketing platform. We'll leave a link to it in the description below. Before we fully dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss any of our new videos. Let's start with the all-text email layout. As you might be able to guess by the name, all-text emails do not include any images or graphic elements. It's just plain text. Because of that, such layouts are oftentimes used for password resets, order confirmations, and just generally as transactional emails. But don't think that's all they're good for. The all-text layout is also great for sales pitches or any message you want to feel more personal. Without logos or images, they come across as if an actual person sent them. That's why they're great for welcome emails, like this one that greets newcomers with a discount code. By using short sentences, making the content more skimmable, and highlighting key phrases like a promotional code in bold, you ensure your readers won't miss the most important details. Bonus points if you add the sender's name and signature. All right, let's jump into visual email templates and take a closer look at how different column layouts can be used. The one-column layout. When we talk about a one-column layout, we're basically talking about an email where everything is arranged in a simple, straight line, just like a column. You can include as many sections as you want, each with a single image. In case you're wondering, single-column layouts work great for welcome emails, promotional emails, as well as re-engagement emails. But why is that? It's because they offer a clean, straightforward design that keeps the reader focused on the main message without any distractions. The layout naturally guides the reader's eye from top to bottom, making it easy to skim and ensuring that nothing important gets missed. Take a cue from this re-engagement email offering a free downloadable guide, or as we marketers like to call it, a freebie. What really hooks the reader is the vibrant image right at the beginning. I mean, who doesn't appreciate good design and want to know what all the buzz is about? Pair that with an attention-grabbing headline and a description that shows how your offer solves a problem or a customer need, and you've got something rather irresistible. If you want to enhance your message, emphasize the value of your offer in a concise list with bullet points for easy reading. Oh, and here's something you might want to know. It's way more likely that a one-column layout will work on mobile devices. We often mention the importance of mobile-friendly design because, let's face it, most users, 85% to be exact, are checking their emails on mobile. With SiteGround email marketing, for example, you don't have to worry about making your emails mobile friendly because all of your templates already are. The two-column layout. So, as you'd expect, a two-column layout organizes content into 2 sections. It's perfect when you need to cover different topics like introducing your brand and encouraging your audience to check out your products. Take this welcome email template, for example. Greeting new customers with a brief, personalized note from a team member or the company founder is always a smart move. Using a storytelling approach can be a powerful way to engage your audience and convey your message memorably. Here, the two-column layout showcases the brand's products, making it ideal for presenting a range or collection. Also, something else to keep in mind, customizing this template to reflect your brand's voice is something you should consider, as it's the first email you'll send to new subscribers. Another great use for the two-column layout is when you want to include information-heavy content like newsletters. Imagine you're a travel agency, and this week you've published a blog post about the best places to visit in Rome. By highlighting the key points that make your article worth reading right from the start, you make the reader eager to explore further and engage with your content. In this example, the two-column layout is used to showcase different spots in Rome, enticing readers to want to experience them firsthand. Other than the bold headings and the bullet points that make the email easy to skim, did you notice something else? That's right, emojis. They add a lighthearted touch, making your email more approachable and engaging. And of course, no email would be complete without social media links. To make them more effective, consider pairing them with calls to action like tag us, share, or use this hashtag. This way, you not only promote your brand, but also expand your presence across different platforms by encouraging interaction. The hybrid column layout. This layout combines the best of both worlds by letting you mix one column and two column sections, perfect for showcasing different topics, products, or features. Let's look at this promotional template offering a 20% discount on clothing. The beauty of the hybrid column layout is that it allows you to fit more information into smaller spaces. You can choose to keep it short and sweet by describing your product with just a title and a vibrant call to action. But if you really want to entice your readers to explore what you offer, you can add more details to your products, like wrap yourself in the perfect blend of style and comfort with our denim collection. Crafted from premium fabric, this collection is your go-to for every season. You have the space, so make the most of it. Just keep in mind that while some email platforms offer mobile-friendly designs, layouts with more than one column might not be fully responsive on mobile devices. So always preview your email to ensure it looks great on all screens. Now that we've discussed column layouts, let's move on to reading patterns. The first one is the inverted pyramid. This layout uses a pretty straightforward visual hierarchy. At the top of your email, you grab the reader's attention with an eye-catching visual or catchy content. Then it naturally guides their focus down to the main goal of your email, your call to action. This way, readers quickly skim through the content and grasp the main message effortlessly, making this layout ideal for promotional emails with few details, as well as welcome emails with a brief message and call to action. Next, the Zig-Zag Pattern. This pattern is perfect for emails that are packed with information but still need to be visually appealing, as it leverages the natural way our eyes move when we read. It places the most important information on the top horizontal line where readers focus the most. Then it guides the reader to engaging copy and finally a call to action. Take, for example, this real estate newsletter announcing an open house for an apartment you might be interested in. Or consider this promotional email featuring popular lemonade flavors with a discount offer. This visual hierarchy pattern is an efficient way to keep your readers engaged and make them go through all your email content. The F pattern. This pattern is a twist on the zigzag layout and follows a specific visual hierarchy. The most important information is placed at the top, with less critical details positioned on the left sides below and the call to action at the bottom. The F pattern layout is good for emails with, you guessed it, lots of information. All that needs to be easy to read and, moreover, mobile responsive. Here we have the perfect example for you, a product educational email. The key here is to focus on one idea per content block, such as featuring one bag per section, to avoid overwhelming the reader. This approach not only makes the email more digestible, but also helps guide the reader's decision-making process. Using images to separate sections further enhances clarity, making it easier for readers to compare options and find the perfect bag for their needs. Now that you understand how to effectively structure an email, you can mix and match layouts and patterns to create email templates that perfectly suit your business or project needs. And if you're into the templates we've shared and are chomping at the bit to get started, you can find them all conveniently located on SiteGround's email marketing platform. There, you can easily customize them using our AI writing assistant and AI-generated image gallery. Plus, all templates are fully responsive, ensuring they look great on any device. Our platform also provides insightful analytics to help you track performance and optimize your templates for the best results. We'll add a link so you can check it out. Give it a try and see the difference it makes. And that brings us to the end of our video. Be sure to leave a comment below and let us know which email template you liked the most. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and check out the links below for more email marketing insights. See you soon.